Hello friends and potential friends. Jack here from Geeky Gardens. I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I had to go down the street and help my neighbor set up a router this morning. So after we got that thing going, I decided to let him give me a tour of his garden, or maybe you should call it a jungle. He and I grow pretty much the same types of things to a large extent, mainly because we're constantly giving each other seeds and seedlings and things. In fact, I took him down 6 banana peppers this morning because I've got about twice as many as I really planned on growing this year. So without further ado, let's go take a look at Buddy's jungle.
Now there's your plants you brought me. And I just filled, those are compost that I just emptied.
Yeah.
And squash, ginger.
Ooh, ripe cherry tomatoes.
Oh God, and all the seed.
Man, that ginger does look nice.
Yeah.
I did finally get some of my turmeric coming up. Just noticed it yesterday.
I gotta buy more.
Oh, I got a bunch of it if you need any.
All right. And this is that yucca. I cut them down and got them started in there.
You got those black grasshoppers on there too.
Where?
One right there.
They're freaking excellent.
Mm-hmm.
And this has got beans planted in it. And that's got beans planted in it. And there's my little patch of rosemary. And
That's looking good. This is already growing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
And
looking
here's
good.
some new ones.
Mm-hmm.
This darn baby's tear. Such a pain in the neck. And
What's this, collard?
yeah. And beans coming up. Look at that ginger.
Oh man. That's nice.
That's up to my waist.
You must have got yours planted a lot sooner than I did.
Well, as soon as I pulled it out, I washed it off and put it in the dirt.
Oh, okay.
And this is potatoes.
Yeah.
And these are peppers. I gotta get in here and get all that ground cover out of it. But they're starting to get flowers on them. And papaya. And this is tomatoes. And
And there's the moringa.
a banana tree. This is growing good.
Yeah, that's a lot nicer than mine.
Look up at the stump. It's like 4 inches. That's 5 years old. And, there's babies. They died out in the winter. These babies planted all in here. Here's one.
Oh yeah, I see one over here too.
There's one. There's like 20 of them. And that's all papaya and moringa back there. And, there's a moringa. It's starting with the warm weather. There's a moringa. So I've been taking these mulch and piling it up here. And I'm going to put compost up, black compost from Walmart, and put it over this and go all the way around with veggies. And I dug this up in the neighbor's yard and planted like 4 of them.
Step on that grasshopper right next to your foot.
Where?
Just. Oh, there you are.
So they're all over back here, huh?
Yeah.
Look how this is grown up. This was 4 plants. That's 25 foot by 10 foot of ferns.
Oh man.
Well, they'll be yard sales off here real soon.
Yeah.
Take a picture. Look at that. My moss farm.
Yeah, well, Yankees will buy that stuff.
Oh, they spend $10 on a softball size piece of it. Look, a new golden rain tree.
I don't think that's a rain tree.
Oh, it's not. It's try to do. Oh yeah, they don't come out of the ground. Oh, I know. Get the seeds on the papaya. But if you want to grow this, all you do is cut this off right here.
Yeah.
Put it upside down in a bucket of water for about a week, and it grows. Roots come out of the head.
Oh boy.
Yeah. In my mountain of
Hmm.
the last one I emptied was 300 pounds. And this was 2 foot deeper, and I've been putting it in pots and moving it around. But I mean, it's black and fertile.
Yeah. Got a bunch of aloes in there
Look
too.
at that.
Oh yeah.
Why is it don't find worms though?
Well, they're probably in there, just a little bit deeper. This is all. Well, in fact, there's one right there. Here, you want a worm?
Oh, protein. I haven't eaten lunch. And then back over here are papaya trees.
Elephant ears.
Light blooming jasmine.
Oh man, that stuff smells so good.
Oh yeah. See the papaya trees up there?
Yeah.
And I got the babies coming up here. Luke, this crowd. Here's my laboratory. This is all Luke. Wow, I got
Yeah,
more.
they're coming up good.
Oh, that has the most beautiful leaf.
There's a moringa.
Uh-huh. I've had a hard time growing them this year.
Hmm.
They're not cooperating. And what we got here? I have no clue.
Looks like some kind of pepper, but no idea. I'm not sure about that one. This looks like a pepper leaf.
That's a merengue.
That is.
That's a pepper. That might be a datil.
Hmm.
I get so much crap in here. I can't tell what it is.
That looks like purslane.
It grows like weeds.
Well, it is a weed. Every time I find it, I dig it up and put it in one particular bed.
Papayas.
Oh, I got to tilt up to catch that one.
This is sunflowers. All through here.
Yeah.
And lemongrass. Another one?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Holy crap.
And they all started running as soon as they saw that I saw them.
They don't like to be on camera. Here,
Yeah, my sunflowers are almost that big.
chew on that.
Oh.
Lemongrass. That's when you make that rice soup.
Mm-hmm. Oh, these ones are getting nice. There's another.
These are coming up pretty good. That's 4 for $1 at the Dollar Tree.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's grasshoppers in your lemongrass too. Been a lot of them things this year.
And I can't see them.
Yep, they're in here too.
I like the lemongrass, huh? You want some lemongrass, Jack?
Hmm?
You want some lemongrass?
No, I've got some. I need to do something with it. But
Put it in the ground. It'll fill up a 4-foot circle.
Oh, these are cute.
What are they?
Some kind of either a cactus or a succulent.
Oh, it's a succulent. There's a whole... God, they're
That's
buried.
already in the ground.
Yeah.
It's already rooted. Leave it there.
Yeah, something I found on the road and picked it up.
Yeah.
And this is I call it a walking iris.
Mm.
They'll walk out. Well, look. See how they've walked out of here? I planted them right there and they've walked out. And that's bird of paradise.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I've got a couple of bird of paradise too still.
And this has got this is probably 25 birds of paradise.
That is thick.
Remember I had that teepee around it?
Yeah.
When I took the teepee off, they just exploded.
Wow, that's nice. Got a lot going on back here.
It's a lot not to mow.
Yep.
But this is going to be all prepped for the fall.
Mm-hmm.
And this will be all gardens. Remember all those tomatoes we had
Yeah.
that popped up? I put them in here. I just stuck them in the ground. But pretty soon they won't be there.
Well, they get quite a bit of shade, so they might make it.
They said it's going to be a cooler summer, temperature-wise.
Yeah, we'll wait and see on that. I mean, I've already seen quite a few days when we hit 90.
And potatoes.
Yeah. Looking good.
I need more hay. I need another bale of hay to go in here.
I can't get over that ginger.
It's like waist high.
Mm-hmm.
It'll get...
Oh, yeah.
Where are we going to be? Tomatoes?
They won't do it twice.
The dog got over that.
Why don't they eat grasshoppers? They're everywhere.
Really?
Black.
Jack.
That is.
And look at this jungle here. I mean, they're as tall as I am now.
Mm-hmm.
And over here, this is the bamboo tree that runs the trees down. That's $500 in Denver. That one thing. And there's 4 papayas growing over there. This yard's getting hard to mow.
Well, just keep covering up with plants. Pretty soon you won't have to mow anything.
I'm putting think I'm gonna put a square right here and put tomatoes in it and see if it grows. This cut this jack and put this in water, and it'll grow. It takes about a week to do roots, maybe 10 days.
Oh yeah?
It's called a firecracker plant. But look at this. Look how tall that is.
Good gosh.
And I've cut it down. I've cut that off 3 times in the last year. We could take these and cut them in segments. Put a stick behind it. See how straight it grows?
Yeah. You got flowers on your papaya too.
You take this right here, this green papaya leaf, and cut it and put it in a tea and drink it in the morning, and your arthritis disappears. And it lowers your blood pressure and your blood sugar.
Mm.
Plus the green papaya is very delicious.
Well, that's about it. I hope y'all enjoyed the tour. He's got a lot of interesting things growing down there. A lot of things that he grows that I can't seem to grow. And yet he's only just a few houses up the street from me. He grows a lot more ornamentals than I do, mainly because I can't eat ornamentals. I hope y'all enjoyed the tour, and I'll see you on the next video.